headed down to Fort Lauderdale. Today is Saturday, the 9th of March. And looks like we're going to get a chance to do a little cloud surfing on the way down. Always nice to do.
November 4, Papa Foxtrot, contact Orlando approach 124.8. Have a good day.
148 for Papa Fox. Good day.
November 5, Echo Tango, contact Palm Beach approach 124.6. Good day.
124.6. Good day. 5 Echo Tango.
Central aircraft, 2 minutes 30, jump Sebastian Airport, 14,000, next 1 to 5 minutes.
Well, it's not so much cloud surfing as much as cloud bursting. But it's still okay. A nice day to fly. We're at 8,000 feet. We could go up to 10 and get away from all of this, but why? We're about 30 minutes to go, so we'll just keep it where it is.
Number 4055 Romeo, Sebring Airport, 12 o'clock in, well, my measurement didn't work. 12 o'clock in 15 miles, radar service terminated, squawk VFR, frequency changes approved. Have a good day.
All right, thanks so much for your help. Yeah, it's about that. I think we're starting to see it, so. Yeah, thanks for your help. We're squawking 1200, no advisory frequency, 55 Romeo.
Have a good one.
And you too. Have a good weekend.
Take care.
My name is Henry, November 224 Golf, 2000, with you.
Number 2248 Golf, Miami Center, Roger, maintains VFR. Okeechobee altimeter 3008, moderate heavy precipitation, 12 o'clock, 8 miles, extends northwest, found about 8 miles along the route.
Roger, looking for the weather, 3008.
And we're having to...
At 1200, climbing to 2000 to Fort Lauderdale with transfer code 3460.
Okay, stepped on you. November 69846, contact Palm Beach approach 124.6. Have a good day.
24-6, thanks for the help, 69846.
Okay, someone else call, say again.
And approach, Twin Cessna 69846, level at 8,000.
Twin Cessna 69846, Palm Beach Church, Palm Beach altimeter 3009.
009, 69846.
Palm Beach, November 8th, just departed Pahokee at 1600, climbing to 2000 to Fort Lauderdale. I missed the call sign Pahokee to Lauderdale Executive Airport. This is November 80921. 80921, type of aircraft, and want to confirm KFXE. Just departed Pahokee to Fort Lauderdale, code 346. 160 from the previous flight. That code's not going to work, sir. Hawker 1 Romeo Mike, turn left, heading 180.
Left heading 180, 1 Romeo Mike.
80921. Your destination is KFXE, correct? And what is your type of aircraft? KFXE, and it's a white and blue Cessna 172M, November 80921. 921, right. Remain on for the TFR, so I'll give you a new code and maintain VFR. Score 4637.
And so,
4637, 80921. Thank you.
because of the...
1 Romeo Mike, contact Palm Beach 125.2.
125.2, 1 Romeo Mike.
Challenger 2 Papa Echo, ready speed to 210. Challenger 302 Papa Echo, ready speed to 210.
Speed 210, 0 to Papa Echo.
80921, ready to contact 5 miles south of the airport, Palm Beach altimeter 3009. What is your current altitude? Current altitude is 2,200 and 091. Roger.
Now the iPad is high. And because of the TFR over Palm
5
Beach,
Echo Tango to maintain 4,000.
4,000, 5 Echo Tango.
we've had to add
2421 to maintain 2,000, flighting 250, vectors final.
Down to 2250, JetBlue 2421.
We've had to add 10 minutes to our flight just to get around this TFR over Palm Beach, due to our illustrious administration officials that are in town. But at any rate, it's a nice day to fly, so why not? We are descending down to 2,000. We're in sequence for landing at Fort Lauderdale. We're going to be landing 9. The weather is for winds at 15 at 110 with gusts to 20. And we're going to pick up the ILS here.
Nine 69846, traffic 11 o'clock and about 15 miles northwestbound, 1600 indicated. I keep spot, sir.
846 will be looking. That's we're 2,300 feet going down to 2,000. The traffic that was just announced was at 1,600 feet and our 11 o'clock, but not showing up on our devices. If you
767 Charlie Romeo, maintain maximum 4 speed.
Maximum forward speed, 767 Charlie Romeo.
And we got that traffic on our machine, on the meter, but not in sight. It's now at 10 o'clock. At 400 feet below. And 69846 negative traffic, but we got him on the meter, but not in sight. He's now at 9. That was for 69846. We have the traffic on the meter, but not in sight.
November 46, Roger. Turn left heading 160.
160 left, 6946.
November 7 Charlie Romeo, contact Executive Tower 120.9.
Over to Executive Tower, 767 Charlie Romeo. A little bumpy out here. This is swampland, as in hundreds of miles of swampland.
Miami approach 4452 Delta.
November 4452 Delta, Miami approach, remain outside of class Charlie airspace.
Remain at Charlie airspace 4452 Delta.
November 69846, proceed direct Ember and maintain false Ember at 2000, clear ILS runway 9 approach.
Direct Ember and 2,000 feet, 6946.
November 69846, and you're clear for the ILS runway 9.
And 6946 is clear for the ILS runway 9.
Miami AAA Victor Victor 2500.
November 888 Victor Victor, Miami approach, right. November 69846, traffic on your 2 to 3 o'clock, 2 miles northbound, indication 2000, type unknown.
846 is looking.
Destination ATIS is 119.85.
November 846, traffic no factor.
846, roger.
November 46, Alpha Foxtrot, contact Miami Center 132.45, good day.
3245, 46 Alpha Foxtrot, good day.
November 888 Victor Victor, Pompano flying at runway 10, information Quebec, altimeter 3008.
3008 and expecting run 0 AAA Victor Victor.
November 8 Victor Victor, you can contact Pompano Tower 125.4, keep your squawk full, please. You have a good day.
125.4, good day, AAA Victor Victor.
November 1729 Hotel, contact Miami Center 132.45, good day.
Caution, TFR ahead.
3245. November 69846, contact Executive Tower 120.9, good day.
120.9, 6946, thanks for the help.
2201 Papa Papa, Executive Tower, runway 9 on up away, chuck right down, runway 9. Line up away, runway 9er, Moody 01 Papa.
And 69846 with you on ILS 9.
Government 69846 is at a tower. Roger, continue about runway 9 and chuck up on position.
And 6946, continue. And they've converted some of the swampland for houses. Lots of housing developments. Wow.
201 Papa traffic in the upper is making right traffic. Pass line that traffic, make a right down the project to the southwest, pushing to the west, remain clear to CFR and red clear class Charlie airspace, runway 9 clear for takeoff.
Okay, runway 9 are clear for takeoff. I'll turn right behind the traffic, remain clear of the Charlie and the CFR, Moody 201.
That's the 12973.
Let's do our pre-checklist.
Left traffic at the top.
Moving left, runway 903.
Government 63371, time base, runway 9 clear to land, wind 10014, gust 19.
Alright, base, clear land,
Flaps and gear to go.
78 Foxtrot, midfield downwind.
08 Foxtrot is set of tower, right? Extend down, call base.
78 Foxtrot, extend downwind, you call base. Executive Tower, can I get a touch and go for 63371?
Government 63371, runway 9 clear, touch and go, continue right traffic.
Clear touch and go, runway 9 at 63371. Executive Tower, helicopter 869, Romeo Mike, pass to Lauderdale International, transition north-northeastbound on 500.
I've got an 869 Romeo Mike, he's at the tower, roger, altimeter 3007, northeastbound transition approved, maintain that VFR to below 500.
Alright, below 500 northeast, 9 release.
And helicopter 9 Romeo Mike, remain 2 miles east of the airport at all times.
Alright, 9 Romeo Mike, returning east. Executive Tower, 4452 Delta.
Yeah.
Executive Tower, 4452 Delta.
And
Traffic, 1 o'clock, 2 miles, 700 feet
and
below.
extend tower call base.
Runway 9er, 4452 Delta, you'll call my turn. 4452 Delta.
From 9 Romeo Mike, proceed eastbound to the shoreline at 500. Traffic 2 miles east of the shoreline is at Bonanza 1500 westbound.
Alright, is there any way we could avoid the shoreline? Kind of need to get direct to Boca for fuel.
9 Romeo Delta, I said you need to remain at least 2 miles east of the airport at all times. Just proceed eastbound at the time of car to the north.
Alright, how about I-95? Can you get us through your traffic over I-95?
9 Romeo Mike, affirmative.
9 Romeo Mike, appreciate it.
Cessna 80, question 1908 Foxtrot, turn base.
08 Foxtrot, right base. This will be a full stop.
08 Foxtrot, roger. Cessna 12973, extend down, tower call base.
Stand by, wind, call base 973.
Alright, we got the glide slope coming in, but we're only using the localizer. And we're down in flap range.
Cessna 63371, when able, make a left traffic at the time.
Left traffic 371. 371 requesting short approach.
371, unable short approach due to congestion.
Roger.
Government 767 Charlie Romeo, runway 9 clear to lane number 1 for the field.
Runway 9 clear to land, 767 Charlie Romeo.
Government 69846, reduce the slow side of airspeed, following traffic on a 3 mile pound indicating 60 knots. Your number 3 for the field.
846 will slow down.
Thank you.
Traffic, 10 o'clock, 2 miles, 600 feet below.
908 Foxtrot, runway 9 clear to land.
How often do you hear that?
08 Foxtrot, clear to land, runway 9,
Traffic,
number 2.
12 o'clock, 2 miles, 500 feet below.
Turn base.
Turn base 973.
Caution, TFR ahead.
2201 Papa, remain south of the final for runway 9 at all times. Frequency change proof.
Frequency change, all remain south of the 9er first. Hold on.
I've got the 369 Romeo Mike. You can contact popping up tower 125.4.
Oh, the problem, 9 Romeo Mike, baby.
We are
Second in Bonanza.
3 miles, 3.5
3 mile final runway 09.
Bonanza 128 Whiskey Mike is at the tower, roger. Landing traffic.
Then right now,
Towers 7 Tango Romeo, intersection Alpha, we're ready when you are.
below.
Is a Foxtrot.
Charlie Foxtrot, go ahead.
Foxtrot, go around, just fly straight out, offset 10 degrees to the right for traffic.
Charlie Foxtrot, going around 10 degrees to the right. And for Lauderdale Executive Tower, 926 Hotel Bravo.
And Cessna 08 Foxtrot, I need you to offset 15 degrees to the right at the time.
And Executive Tower, 926 Hotel Bravo.
08 Foxtrot, just verify, offset 15 degrees to the right.
500.
Charlie Foxtrot, 10 degrees to the right.
Traffic, 10 o'clock, 2 miles, 500 feet
Right
above.
on go, Charlie Romeo.
Customer 690 846, runway 9 clear to land.
846 clear to land, runway 9.
Executive Tower, 926 Hotel Bravo.
Chief 926 Hotel
Yeah,
Bravo.
a lot of traffic.
Yes, sir, just off International, inbound for landing.
Chief 926 Hotel.
All right, got the gear down.
Northbound. Flight northbound.
One more time, do our checklist.
To right down runway 9.
Right down wing 906 Hotel Bravo.
Tower Cessna 6705 Mike, short of 9 over Echo, ready for departure.
08 Foxtrot, traffic off your right wing, less than a mile, 1000 westbound Bonanza.
Charlie Foxtrot, looking for traffic.
November 08 Foxtrot, when able, turn right, enter the right downwind for runway 9 and extend, I'll call your base.
Charlie Foxtrot, turning right, crosswind.
Chief 926 Hotel Bravo. Turn left flight northwestbound at the time. Northwest.
Northwest, 6 Hotel Bravo.
Tower Cessna 6705 Mike, number 1, that's runway 9.
Band 128 Whiskey Mike, runway 9, line up away, traffic 2 miles front. Crescent 8 Whiskey Mike, hold short runway 9.
8 Whiskey Mike, roger, we can move over to Juliet, if that'll help.
8 Whiskey Mike, pull up to hold short runway 9 in Juliet.
Whiskey Mike, roger, hold short of 9 in Juliet.
And who's on short runway 9, number 1?
Cessna 6705 Mike.
And any chance for short approach for 6 Hotel Bravo?
November 6 Hotel Bravo, turn left, flight due westbound now. Turn left, flight due westbound now, traffic 12 o'clock, and less than a mile, 1000 Bonanza.
6 Hotel Bravo westbound, the last report was northwest.
November 52 Delta, turn base.
Turn base, 52 Delta.
Who's number 1 at runway 9?
Cessna 6705 Mike.
November 6705 Mike, make an early right turn out to the west to avoid the TFR, runway 9 are clear for takeoff, traffic.
Entry